Hello everyone, welcome to QLabs for you. I hope you all are safe and healthy. I understand that you guys have waited long for our next video related to job alert, and it was expected to be released in the last week, but somehow it was a long vacation mode, and I was also on leave, so I was not able to create or prepare the video. But yes, I have listed down all the openings which I got in the last week for you so that you guys can just have a look, and if you have those skills you can quickly apply for those jobs. One more suggestion I need from you, and if you guys are already watching this series, and if you think the duration is too long, you guys can comment so that I can think of for YouTube shorts related to quick job alerts. So that is coming in my mind right now, but it totally ups to you. If you are interested in the quick job alert via YouTube short mode, I will try to prepare in that way. Otherwise, I will keep the flow in the same way what we are doing right now. So that's the update from my end. Now we can proceed further with the job alert 4. So the first opening which I have right now, it is from the service now. They are looking for a senior quality engineer with 6 to 9 years of experience in manual and automation testing. If you have all the desired skills for this job opening, you can quickly, share your updated CV on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the performance test engineer for 2.5 years to 9 years of experience, and you must have experience in Tosca, and it should be in between 3 to 9 years of experience. You must be willing to join Chennai, Coimbatore, Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore location. So if you are interested, you can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for experience 7 to 10 years, and it is for Bangalore hybrid mode. You must have experience in Selenium and API automation. It is for immediate joiner. If you have those desired skills, you can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is from the TCS, and it is for 5 to 10 years of experience. It is for Hyderabad, Bangalore location, and it requires BDD, Selenium, Java, API, REST Assured, Cucumber, right? So if you have all those skills, you can quickly share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for investment banking domain, and you must have 3 to 9 years of experience. You must have test automation expertise. If you have high level of programming knowledge, either in Java, Python, C++, and you have Selenium and Appium knowledge, then you can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the API automation tester. Yes, it is for the Pune location, and 5 to 8 years of experience is required. So it is a very good opportunity if you have experience in BDD, Cucumber, TestNG, and you have expertise in Grid also. You have good grip on test plan, test cases, test case execution, defect tracking. If you are immediate joiner, you can quickly share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is from EY India, and it is for Gurgaon location. 30 days notice period is maximum allowed. If you are interested, you can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. It is for two openings. One is for the senior QA, 6+ years of experience in Java plus Selenium, and another is for the lead. So for that, you must have 8+ years of experience. Now, next opening is for the RPA developer, and it is for specific to UiPath. And if you are willing to, locate on Noida, Chennai, Pune location, you have 2 to 5 years of experience. You guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is from the Happiest Mind Technology, and they are hiring for test automation engineer for Bangalore location. They are looking for a Python guy who has expertise on Selenium. So if you are interested and willing to join Bangalore location, it is for the immediate joiner. you guys can share your updated resume to the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the SDET profile, and it is for work from office. You must have 3+ years of experience in Selenium plus C Sharp, and you must have good knowledge about Java. Also, you must have good expertise about Selenium and Unit, and you must have experience in writing, updating, and executing scripts. So, if you have all these things, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the test engineer. 1 to 6 years of experience is required. You guys have, manual testing skills. Then you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the QA testing, BTech, MTech, MCA. That is the education required only for 2023 batch. Who can go for this? And if you have knowledge about manual and automation testing, willing to work on Bangalore location, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the 4+ years of experience. You must have manual testing experience, Java, Jira and Agile methodology. Then you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for 3+ years of expertise in automation testing, and you must have knowledge about Selenium WebDriver and REST Assured API. So if you have understanding about framework development and maintenance, you have good knowledge about automation, and willing to work on hybrid mode in Hyderabad or Bangalore location, willing to join in 15 days, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for Wipro QA, and it is for Bangalore and Pune location. 5 to 10 years of experience is required. You must have good understanding about programming languages. You must have good hands-on on OOPS, Core Java, right? You have strong understanding about Jira, Jenkins, CI/CD, GitHub, right? And you must have problem solving attitude. So if you have all those skill set, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for the Capgemini, and it is for 4 to 6 years of experience. For Chennai location, they are looking for a candidate who is expertise in test automation using Java and Selenium, working experience about BDD Cucumber, knowledge about nuclear testing. So if you have all those required skill set, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is from Mobile Programming LCC, and they are hiring for QA manual engineer. Experience point of view, they are looking for 5 years of experience, and it is for Gurgaon, Pune, and Bangalore location. If you are interested, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. Next opening is for automation test lead, and it is for Gurgaon immediate. Hiring, and this is for 7 to 10 years of experience. If you are interested, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. You must be aware that it is for the hybrid mode, 4 days from the office. So the last opening is from Sapient, and they are hiring for QE automation, and it is for Cypress with JavaScript. 4+ years of experience is required. If you are interested and ready to apply for this job, you guys can share your updated resume on the mentioned email ID. I hope all these opening definitely give you some idea what is currently going on in the market. If you guys found that these videos are helping you in searching the jobs, then please share these videos, comment on these videos, and just do subscribe the channel so that you guys get the job notifications or other notifications, whatever I'm planning or whatever I'm doing on this channel for the community support. You guys can get the information as earliest. So that's the update from my end on this video session. I hope I will try to give some more insights about job alerts in the next session.